Hey guys, this is RD Techie, and in today's video we are, I want to say unboxing, but it's not really a box. We're unpackaging a Redwolf t-shirt order for 10 mystery shirts. I'll tell you what all that is in the other side of this intro. Right, so redwolf.in, it's a website where you can get authorized, affiliated products from major pop culture icons, TV shows, cartoons, games, and all that. So they have this option where you buy a mystery tee. So you don't know what you're gonna get, you just give them a size, and I gave them my size, which is an XL. I prefer wearing XL shirts, and I asked them to get me 10 shirts. So here it is, we have it. It's all paid for, it's all done. It's not like a sponsored video or anything. I literally wanted to see what I would get if I bought 10 mystery shirts. So this is a pretty big package right here. That's what she said. Okay, so I love the products. The quality is amazing. The material is brilliant. I'm just very wary of taking my knife into this, so I'm just gonna cut the corner and then just, sorry about that. Doesn't feel like much, but that mic is where I'm getting most of the audio output, so you will hear that knock. I'll mute it though. I mean, you won't technically hear it, but you saw it, so maybe that's like hearing it. It doesn't matter. It's like Hulk. Maybe I got a Hulk t-shirt. Okay, we're gonna. Interesting. There's some. Oh, I see one. Oh my god, that's a lot. I see one t-shirt already, and I love it. This is brilliant. I didn't even know they had this show's t-shirt. This is freaking awesome. This one, oh my god, is a Saul Goodman attorney at law t-shirt. I love this show, and I love Saul Goodman. And I think he's one of the most fun characters in Breaking Bad, but Better Call Saul, absolutely brilliant. Got that t-shirt, love it. Love it. Brilliant. I'm so happy with that. Okay, so I got one down. One was something I like. I have no idea what the coming ones are. I'm gonna put the knife away because I don't want to accidentally tear it. Saul Goodman, that's t-shirt number 1. T-shirt number 2. Our blades are sharp. How's Bolton? Game of Thrones. I don't like Game of Thrones, but this t-shirt's actually not bad, except for the fact that it's from Game of Thrones. I mean, falling all over the place. I'm sorry about that, but it's very slippery with this plastic. Holy crappers. Okay, so not a fan of the show, but this t-shirt itself actually looks pretty decent. If you see me peeking, it's just to make sure you guys keep knocking. I'm gonna put it behind me because you can't see it. Like, it could be a junkyard behind me. You have no idea. It's not, maybe. All right, so this is the second t-shirt we got, which is Our Blades Are Sharp, How's Bolton? The guy is upside down. Well, if that doesn't sum up Game of Thrones, I don't know what will. So yeah, not great. But oh, this is a show okay, let's see. I'm trying to figure out what the t-shirt is without actually opening it, but I can't understand what this one is. But we're gonna, I think it's like a Mimi t-shirt. So okay, this says, I went to the Upside Down and all I got was this strange t-shirt. I'm guessing that's Stranger Things. I think that's Stranger Things. I'm not sure. Again, it's a show I've never watched. Didn't hate it though. Game of Thrones I watched, I tried to like, and I hated. This at least, not bad. Okay, we're moving on. This feels like another Breaking Bad shirt. I don't know. It feels like a Heisenberg shirt. I'm gonna be so happy if it is. I'm gonna be so happy if it is. It is a Heisenberg shirt. That is awesome. I love it. Love it. It is a Heisenberg. Ah! Awesome. Awesome. Yay. Okay. 2. Well, I guess 3 for 4. Not bad. Not bad. Yeah, I won't like this one. It's a Harry Potter shirt. I'm not a Potter head, I think they call it. I have a regular head. I'm not a fan of the movies or the actors or the author or the books. So I'm like the worst person that would get the Harry Potter, but yay. I got 99 problems, but a snitch ain't. That's 1. Just give me a second. Trying to. Snitch ain't 1. Yeah, I don't know if you see it, but a nice play on words. I could use it on streams. I don't mind. Hey, Powerpuff Girls, the bad dude in Powerpuff Girls. I don't remember Coco, Mogo. I'm not sure what it was. I'm not sure what it was, but I know he's the bad dude, and I like bad dudes, so that's fine. That came off a little weird, but yes. I actually like that shirt. That's a pretty cool design overall. I don't know how many we've gone through. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Shit, I can't count. 4 left. So we did 6. Harry Potter and Game of Thrones aside, all of them I actually like. And this one, I have no idea what this is. This is gonna be interesting. Oh no, it's Pokemon. I don't like Pokemon either. I mean, I don't hate Pokemon. It's just I've never liked Pokemon. That one is... yeah, that's Pokemon. That's the fire dude and the other fire dude. Right? And then the little fire dude. It is the same dude, it's just different levels of the dude. I'm pretty sure they're not called dudes, but I don't know, okay? You're gonna have to help me with that. All right, next one. Oh, wait, I got another one. Oh, that's not good. In legal trouble, Better Call Saul, attorney at law. So I got 2 Better Call Saul shirts. Not great. I think Redwolf should have made sure that didn't happen. That's a little bit of a sucker punch, but we're gonna open it anyways. Maybe it's a different version, like slightly different. I don't know. I'm gonna open that. I'm gonna rip into that. Okay, so Saul Goodman, attorney at law. We're gonna open and leave that there. I'm gonna check if it's the same as the one I got before. Yeah, pretty much exactly the same t-shirt. That's a bummer. And it's XL, and this one's also it doesn't have a band. XL, so that's literally the same t-shirt. Not cool, not cool. I think when you're ordering 10 in one order, at least it should be 10 different ones. So that's not great. Is this an X-Files shirt? This is an X-Files shirt. Oh, this is good. This is good. This is like one of those old retro X-Files shirt. I like this design. There we go. Believe. It has that Mulder and I don't remember her name. But X-Files, cool. Got like a flying saucer and smoke and shit. Hopefully it's a little sticky, but I think that's the print, that style. It's like the rubberized print. That's pretty cool though. I love that. I love X-Files. I mean, I haven't watched it in like ages, but I do like it. Which one's this? This one? Ah, for fuck's sake. It's like now the Game of Thrones. Fucking Game of Thrones. I mean, really? This is here. It says here mirror. Oh, it's the douchebag house, the Lannister house. Okay, so, but I like the design. The lion itself was cool. Maybe the other part will fade away. So there you go. We got 10 awesome I'll say 7 awesome t-shirts because we got doubled up on one. It's an awesome t-shirt. Don't get me wrong. I love that t-shirt, but they should have made sure that didn't happen. They do say it might happen, But I mean, it's packing the same order, so I'm kind of disappointed that happened. But that said, 7 awesome t-shirts, 2 duds, well, I guess 3 duds really, so 6 awesome t-shirts, 3 duds, 1 repeat. The duds were because of my preference. I just don't like Game of Thrones. But that said though, even those t-shirts, the prints are cool, the designs are cool, so I'm very happy with that. Now I'm gonna just do a quick run through here. So these, if I can find, I'm gonna take one packet, right? Right, so this is $999 on the MRP. The listed price is $999 rupees. They usually sell for around $399 to $499, but when you buy the mystery tee, you get it for, I think, $249. The real price will be popping up right here. And you get cashbacks. I love their t-shirts. Their prints are brilliant, and it's worth it, man. I mean, I got a couple of duds that I don't like, but most of them I actually love, and I got it on discount because I bought the mystery t-shirt. So that's like, what, $250 for a mystery t-shirt, which is roughly around $4, less than that even. That's a brilliant deal if you ask me. And if you want 10% off, the code is popping up right below. That code will get you 10% off on your first purchase, and it gives me credits because it's a referral code, and Redwolf actually gives you a referral code when you sign up as well, and then you can give it to your friends and you can make money out of that. Well, credits out of that. You can get more t-shirts from money you made getting your friends t-shirts, if that makes sense. Basically, it's a referral code. The code is below. It gives you 10% off. It gives me, I think, some sort of merch credit system. Symbiotic. Check it out. But the link to Redwolf is in the description. Just want to say a huge shout out to the guys because they're doing an awesome thing with these t-shirts that are really good. They're premium. They're authentic. Like the Game of Thrones t-shirt, I don't know if you guys can see, is actually branded by Game of Thrones. That's an authentic piece of memorabilia, if you want to call it, or it's just a part, it's authentic merchandise. There you go. And I think that's fantastic. And I can't wait to buy more stuff. I'm still on the fence about buying more mystery stuff because of the double that I got this time. It kind of puts me in an uneasy spot. That said, I did enjoy majority of it. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hope y'all having a fantastic day and remain to have a brilliant week. Stay home, stay safe, and as long as you stay healthy and wash your hands, I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day. Goodbye.